Yeah. Coming in the darkness, coming out the shadows. L5 with the snakes bout to rattle. Never will I tattle. Boy, I got that motherfucking battle on me, and I slaughtered these niggas like cattle. We madness, we sadness, we coming with that bad bitch, fat bitch. You rock the fucking grab tits and snatch tits and kill kids. Oh my god, the violence, oh my god, the riots, but I turn it to silence. Coming with the motherfucking splatter, put you on the top of the ladder and throw you fucking down your head to laughter. Yeah, I am the chapter, yeah, I am the revelation. Nigga want me dead, but Big Sean gave him dedication, but I gave him 5. Nah, I'm not Wayne. Boy, this is the L5. Kinda fucking same, but I'm not on the same side. Boy, I got that bang eyes. All I fucking do is fucking slang fries and bread and egg. Hey, I like these hoes. They take my meds. So fuck your ass. Go to bed. It's L5. Always rep that red and that blue and that white bitch.
Don't try that.